Wade in the water. Wade in the water.
Hey everybody, you can hear the bird next door. I am a little under the weather, I'm sorry, so I sound kind of weird. Just wanted to make this video to announce the winner of the MakeWater Season 3/Impact. So without further ado, here it is. And the winner is... I went and shot some footage out at the Alamos Dam because I thought it was really cool. Could be a place to shoot some drone footage and a great place to sort of reveal the winner. So who could it be? Who could it be? Who could the winner be? And it's Harmony. Harmony is the winner. Harmony has been here since the first year. They almost won it last year, and they definitely won it this year. So they actually, you know, they might be surprised that they won because they actually thought that maybe they had failed in their challenge this year, but really it was this epiphany that you're not really failing, you're learning what doesn't work. You know, like you have to share when something doesn't work, because they found something out that I didn't know. I did not know that you absolutely need pure water, distilled water, to work with the hydrogen fuel cell, because I always thought, oh, hydrogen fuel cell would be really cool. We make hydrogen with the coagulator kit. So knowing that it doesn't work right off the bat can save a lot of hours and time for other teams. For that, Harmony has won. They get the 3D printer this year, and they definitely deserve it. So thank everybody for participating. If you're interested, we have a summer program coming up, so please reach out to me and find out more at MakeWater.org. And again, we're going to have another program next year, so stay tuned. We just got our 501c3 as a nonprofit, so there's a lot of things that we can now grow into and do more of in the following years. Y'all are here at the very beginning, so again, thank you, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. See you around. Have a great summer, everybody.